In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Outlook with Clickup in just 5 minutes. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Clickup's website. This is where the magic begins, as your workspace for all tasks and projects. On the homepage, you'll see an option to log in at the top right corner. Click on this to proceed. Now, if you're like me, you probably want to make logging in as seamless as possible, so go ahead and select the option to sign in with Google. This is a swift way to access the platform without having to remember yet another password. A list of Google accounts associated with your browser will appear, so select the account you wish to use with Clickup. This should bring you straight into your Clickup home screen. Next up, navigate to your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Once clicked, a drop-down menu will open showing several options. Hover your mouse over the Apps section, which will reveal more options related to app integrations, but don't worry, we're only focused on one today. In this drop-down, find and click on App Center. This is basically your one-stop shop for integrating additional tools with Clickup. Once you're in the App Center, you'll see a search bar right at the top. Type Outlook in this bar and let the system work its magic in bringing up related options. There might be a few options available depending on your organization's policy or previous configurations, but don't be tempted to stray. We're looking for a specific one. You should see an option for Outlook Calendar. This is what we need. Click on it to open detailed options and features of integrating your Outlook calendar with Clickup. This will lead you to the configuration page where you can start the integration process. This part is straightforward, just like following a recipe. Next, you'll see a big inviting configure button. Give it a click. It's setting the stage for the final step in integrating your calendars, ensuring that all your important meetings and tasks stay synchronized. Finally, a connect button will appear. Go ahead and click on it. This will start the integration process, linking your Outlook calendar with Clickup so that any updates you make on either platform will be reflected on the other. It also means you'll be less likely to miss any critical engagements, as both systems will now communicate with each other fluently. With these steps, you've successfully integrated Outlook with Clickup. This integration is a fantastic way to enhance your productivity by keeping all your schedules aligned and accessible from one place, ensuring you're always on top of your commitments.